We are here on the edge of the southern Amazon mosaic. This morning we were headed out after an epic rainstorm. We were headed downstream and a member of our team said, "Oh my God, look, it's a caiman." And as we turned around and got closer, I said, "Oh my God, it's a cat." And our guide, Brett Whitney, at that point said, "Guys, it's a black jaguar." If there's any evidence of the importance of this intact region and how interconnected it is, the fact that this huge male jaguar was swimming across the Tapajos River, I can't think of anything better than that.
Wow.